Hey folks, Eric Wooldridge here at the Additive Manufacturing Center for KCTCS. And along our concrete 3D printing journey, we're sharing like little things that we're learning the process and adaptations that we're making. And one of those is what you see right here, the actual nozzle size. We're actually starting to experiment with different nozzle sizes to see what size bead is optimum. And also what we can do in these situations is we can design the nozzle in such a way that it actually changes the flow. So we'll be experimenting on our next run with several different nozzle sizes. We'll also be experimenting with the way that we make the material move within the nozzle coming out. Now this does create a lot of great opportunities. For example, we can actually shape the nozzle in certain ways to smooth the edges as it comes out. They may get at us a little bit when we make a corner and a turn, but it does allow us to experiment with how far we can push the finishing edges to some of these creations. So a lot that goes into this. Now one thing you will notice when you actually take a look at this is that it is 3D printed. So yes, in fact, we're actually using our typical polymer 3D printers to make parts for our concrete 3D printing system. And so that allows us to very easily experiment with a lot of different things and rapidly do a lot of iteration. So, in terms of 3D printing, you're seeing the advantage of the technology. We can actually use our 3D printers that do polymer to work with our concrete 3D printer to make new iterations of new designs and try a lot of new things out, which is a great testament to the technology in general. So, as always, thanks for joining us along on this journey. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll have some new and cool things for you to see pretty soon. We'll see you.